This is a good day. Trapper John. There he is. There he is. He slowly starts to like the rain the older he gets. Yeah, there he is. He should come out over here somewhere. No, $50 is creeping. There he is. Trapper John. You want to go inside? You want to go inside? You want to go inside? Come on. Come on. Nope. Sweetie, there you are. You ready to go inside? Okay, let's go inside.